Okay, to make a volcanic eruption, you're gonna need some vinegar, some baking soda, some food coloring, some water, some Dawn dish soap, and first you're gonna use water. You're gonna add water in, not too much water. And then second, you're gonna add in some yellow food coloring. Not too much. Then you're gonna add in some orange. Just a couple drops. And then some red. And then after that, you're gonna want to add in some vinegar, a little bit of vinegar. Okay, so once you've added in the vinegar, you're gonna want to add in the Dawn dish soap. This is gonna make your volcano eruption bubble a little bit. So I use some of this. Now for the eruption, we're gonna be using some baking soda. Now we're going to put it in the volcano. Oh, I can see it. It's coming. So here's the eruption. So this was the volcanic eruption. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. You guys might be wondering what my volcano is made out of. With a little help from my family, my volcano is made out of a paper plate, Mall Magic, hot glue, a toothpick, paint, and a glass jar. Now, the glass jar is what is supporting this volcano. You can use whatever container you want. I would recommend something made out of plastic, or it just depends on how big or small you want your volcano to be. Now, my volcano is structured by a glass jar that is hot glued to a paper plate, and then I put Marl Magic on the outside of it, and then you want to have a ring around the top of your volcano, and then like this, like a ring. And so basically the Marl Magic is making it look like a volcano, and then the paint makes it look more realistically like a volcano. And then the toothpick gives it some texture to make it look like a real volcano. And the paper plate is just to keep the lava inside of the plate, or basically keep the lava from running out.